And we need to have also a process of
Kuringana na OMOLLO, watho uyu uguteithiriria anyiti itemi gukinyaniria maundu kuringana na gatiba, guku akiuga uri na mitaratara iria ni hamwe na wiyandikithia na ningi no uhete muingi wiyathi wa kuheana mawoni mao.
Strengthens asset management and protection mechanism for the PBOs across the country. 3, it provides a clear, fair regulatory and administrative framework that streamlines registration of PBOs as well as enhances transparency and accountability.
And at times, don't take it for granted when the government, there is political goodwill space, the leaders are willing to move with you. Tomorrow you may have a leader who has no business to do with these kind of things that we're doing.
Anyiti itemi gukiri uguo moritio kunyitanira niguo gutigirira watho uyu ni ugukinyaniria mendekithia na matanya maguo.
If we all converge on that tempo of the remaining 10%, believe me this act, for those who have taken time to read and understand, for those who have consulted even the legal brains that we have around, we shall be a benchmark in the continent.
We don't need another 1 year to complete this process. 3 months should be adequate. And therefore, because we are here, I would want to encourage us that let's fast track this process. We don't have to wait until May next year to close on this. If we can get this done in a month or 2, maximum, if we can all purpose to do this within the next 90 days, I'll be one of the happiest PSS around for having ensured that this is delivered.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.